look that much more active than it did when I got here last night, but let's try and check in. Our appointment's 3 minutes from now. We might as well try and get onto the scale. Through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30. Right. I don't think there's anyone here. Locked. The sign says they don't open until 0800. Nobody answered on the phone. Let me get my heater turned back on. Looks like we're going to be parked here a little while. If I wish I had known they wouldn't open until 8, I would have slept in. I guess it's breakfast time then, huh? Okay, we are empty. I need to switch to driving. Everything's fine. Everything is fine. We are empty. The place eventually decided that they actually did want the stuff on my trailer, and someone came out and got me. It's like, oh yeah, no, there's nobody at the entrance. That's just how we go. It's like, well, why does the sign say that you don't open till 8? Why is your signage so bad? Like, either have somebody monitoring the entrance waiting for the truck you know is coming, or put up a sign telling us what to do. Because if I pull into a scale and there's like a little guard check, there's nobody in the guard check, there's nobody around, and there's a sign saying they don't open till 8, I'm not going to go poking around in some random factory looking for somebody to tell me something else. Like,
2 miles ahead, turn left on West 5th Street.
I don't want to get charged with trespassing. That's what happens at places like that if drivers go where they're not supposed to go. I'm not just gonna wander into a factory looking for somebody. Oh, that's so silly. That's so ridiculous. And, some directions have been clarified for this customer, so other drivers will hopefully be able to get checked in at their appointment times, unlike me. Apparently this happens all the time, because sales is like, oh no, they're there, just go poking around. And before I could get the truck back moving again, someone came out and got me. It's like, oh, good. With this area and not doing signs right. Alright, let's look very carefully for any no truck signs before we turn down this road. So this is the road to the interstate, so presumably it's fine. Anybody trying to make a left turn though, that's for sure. I see why the directions for this location inform us to come in the way it does. This is not the most truck friendly of turns. That not at all. The cheese house. That's so great. There's a bowling alley and a cheese store here. That's funny.
Approaching BP 520 East Pinconning Road on the right.
Gosh, there's quite a few drop trailers here, isn't there?
0.3 miles ahead, take ramp to I-75 South.
And no lines, so it's do-it-yourself parking rules here.
Alright, we'll just sidle in back here next to this drop flatbed.
520 East Pinconning Road on the left.
Right there looks so much shallower than it actually is. It's like, that turns out it's really deep. Alright.
We're here. Alright, let's get everything logged properly. Change, sleeper berth, okay. And, alright, so I need to log our movements from this morning. Oh, cool, there's a pizza place in here. So, if we get munchy and I decide I don't want an egg sandwich, we can pizza. Alright, so I am just gonna stay parked here until we get another load. The nearest washout's down in Saginaw. So I decided not to head that way just yet. We'll see what the company wants us to do. If they tell us to go down to Saginaw and get the washout now, we'll do that, but I'd rather not start moving towards any particular direction until we know where we're going next. Because if we're not going down towards Saginaw for our next load, I don't really want to head that way, because that's a bunch of miles I don't get paid for. I only get paid for the miles between customer and customer. So, whatever my next pickup is, I will get paid the miles from the place we just delivered to there. And I need to find a washout on the way as close to that route as possible to avoid burning extra fuel. So if they send us up to that Tyson in the middle of the state, up north, Traverse City, if they send us up there, then we've gone 10 miles in the wrong direction, 20 miles in the wrong direction. So that's a 40-mile round trip just to get back to Mr. Chips and then start going in the right direction. So that's 40 miles I don't get paid for. So we don't really want to do that. My fuel economy also based off the same miles I'm paid for. So all the extra fuel I burn there just makes my fuel economy look worse at the end of the week. So we're going to stay here and wait until we know where we're going. Alrighty, next stop, trailer wash in Saginaw, Michigan. After that, we have a nice easy day afterwards with a trip to Kalamazoo. People flying through this traffic circle. Yeah. Alright, let's just off track right onto that apron. Whoop, there we go. And thump as we come back down. Watch me inside, we're good there. Wasn't so bad. Alright, go a little wider than normal because they got a nice big pile of snow right in the off-tracking area for our trailers. It's fine, it's fine. That's a sight to behold. The sun is out for the first time all day. Like an hour before sunset, less than an hour before sunset. We finally got some sun. I think that right lane is sticking around. Yeah, let's just move over. Alright. Because I think this is 3 lanes all the way into Illinois now. So yeah, we are loaded, we are scaled, we are legal. About 32,000 on my drives, 11,800 something on my steer axles, and 31,500 on my trailer. bumpy road. Very bumpy road. Alright, so 77.4 miles will put us square in Chicago. We've got 4 hours on the clock, so that's good. We're getting to the other side of Chicago before my clock gets low. That's good. We'll have like 2 hours on our clock when we're on the other side of Chicago. That's pretty good. That'll give us time to find somewhere to park. Punching our way through the cold front right now. There's a couple of thunderstorms behind us and to the south, which is kind of left and behind us, so southeast. And then we're kind of in the deformation zone to the west of the cold front. Well, we're not really in the deformation zone yet. The deformation zone would be like northwest of the center of circulation. We're currently southwest of the center of circulation. So we're just kind of in an area of the cold front that's just super windy. It's not great. It's not great. We basically picked the windiest part of this system to punch through. So we're doing about 57 miles per hour, down from 62. And just battling the gusts until we get away from this monster. Temperature steadily dropping down to 40 from like 55 in Michigan. It's dropped about 5 degrees in the last 10-15 minutes. And there's a good chance we might start seeing some snow if we keep heading west. If precipitation keeps falling, we're probably going to pass freezing within the hour.
0.1 mile ahead, take exit 93 to ramp to I-80 west.
Alright, so I don't think we're going to get a spot at the pilot. Just at a glance.
0.3 miles ahead, merge left on I-80 west.
Not much going on there. Actually, no, there's a light thing there. What about, this shell, I think we can get a spot. Alright, you guys, you're turning perfect. Actually, no, there's totally room at the,
0.4 miles ahead, keep right on North 31st Road, then make a sharp left.
I'm feeling the angled spots over here at the shell. I like that a little bit better. Oh, are these angled spots? I don't know.
0.3 miles ahead, keep right on North 31st Road, then make a sharp left.
Honestly, haven't a clue. Care either. We'll see. And we are parked on concrete, so we've got a decent chance of being able to get out in the morning if it snows. So I think we're good. I'll see you guys in the morning. My name's ElioDare, AzerAngel17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in, say hi. Let me know if you enjoy the videos by clicking like or subscribe. And of course, come say hi on Twitter at ElioDare. No apostrophe in the username. And also comments. Comments are a great way for stuff to get in front of my eyeballs. If you run into me on the road, hint, hint, person from Prime who said hi earlier today, do let me know so I can put like usernames to faces, because I remember YouTube names and Twitter handles a lot better than real names. I'm not good with real names. I'm sorry. Yeah, let me put a face to you, or a name to your face. Got your face. Need your name. So yeah, tell me what's up there. Have a great day.